So, good morning, children. I did tell you about the chapter sketch and the character involved in this particular story, the Hack Driver, written by uh, Sinclair Lewis. So, already discussed the 3 points written over here, that the narrator's job, what was the job of a narrator over here, and how does this particular lawyer goes to New Million, the place, in order to serve a summon for the man whose name is Oliver Lutkins, and how this particular the hack driver tells the lawyer about Lutkins. But he was himself Oliver Lutkins, for whom the lawyer was looking for. So I am going to discuss the 4 point written over here. That is, the fourth point is the hack driver takes the lawyer around. Now, this particular hack driver who has changed his name into Bill Manguson, I did tell you, and he himself is ready to find this particular man, Oliver Lutkins. But he was the same person named as Oliver Lutkins. Only the thing is that he has changed his name as Bill Manguson. Now, the hack driver takes the lawyer around. The hack driver suggests that he would find out about Lutkins, as Lutkins might run away on seeing the lawyer. The driver takes him to Fritz's shop. So another character involved in this. You will come to know about one name, that is a Fritz. Now then he takes him to the Gustav. So how this particular, you can see over here that how this man, hack driver, is trying his level best to fool this lawyer who actually came New Mullion in order to find Oliver Lutkins. And this particular driver was only the man whose name was Oliver Lutkins, but somehow he has changed his name from Oliver Lutkins to Bill Manguson. So Bill Manguson, the changed name, is only trying to help the lawyer in order to find Oliver Lutkins. So this is the real thing you need to keep in your mind. So he started his journey from Fritz's shop, where there is a probability to find the man whose name is Oliver Lutkins. Then from Fritz's shop he moved towards Gustav Barber shop. So this is the second place, or you can say a kind of a prediction made by Bill Manguson in order to find the man Oliver Lutkins. So after that they go to Gray's. So from Gustav's barber they go to Gray's place and a pool room, but they miss Oliver Lutkins every time. Lunch time arrives. The driver gets him some cheap lunch made by his wife. So how exactly, you can see over here that how this particular man, the hack driver, he, in order to win the confidence of the lawyer who actually came for Oliver Lutkins, and he was the same man, Oliver Lutkins. So first he went to the Fritz shop in order to find Oliver Lutkins. There he was totally unsuccessful. Then he moved towards Gustav's barber shop. There also he was unsuccessful. Then from Gustav's he went to Gray's shop and a pool room. So 4 places he visited, but at last he was unsuccessful in finding the man Oliver Lutkins. Then he moved towards a place for the lunch with the lawyer. So this is the way how he is taking around to help the lawyer in order to find the same man Oliver Lutkins. So you can see, in other words, you can say that Oliver Lutkins was the same man for whom the lawyer was searching for. Now the 5th point written over here is the lawyer enjoys the driver's company. So lawyer was very much feeling nice, because the stranger by name Bill Manguson was trying his level best to find Oliver Lutkins, although he was the same man, Oliver Lutkins. Sorry. Now the lawyer did not mind that he had not found Oliver Lutkins, because he was enjoying the company of the hack driver. The lawyer was impressed by the wisdom of the man The driver told him everything about New Million. He described the people and their habits, his simplicity, or you can say the human influences, the lawyer so much that he plans to settle down in the village. He ends up paying back driver for 6 hours. So this is the point you need to remember while going through. The lawyer enjoys the driver's company. Now the drivers and the lawyers visits to Oliver mother. So this is the kind of a last destination visited by the lawyer as well as the Bill Manguson in order to search the man named Oliver Lutkins. So the hack driver suggested that they should look for Oliver at his mother's place. She was described as a terrifying woman. The woman chased them away with a burning iron and threatened to burn them. The two escaped to save themselves. So this is a kind of a scene when they visited actually in Oliver's mother's house. Then the lawyer decided to return back to the city because since he was totally unsuccessful in finding the finding the man whose name is Oliver Lutkins. Although he spent all the days with the same man for whom he was looking for. So the lawyer returned to the town. When the lawyers returned to the town without serving the summons, his chief got very angry with him. They needed Lutkins as an important witness in their case. The next day, he sent another man who knew Lutkins with the lawyer to the village to bring Lutkins. So this is the kind of second step taken by his chief. That again, this particular lawyer was sent in the same village with again one of his friend who actually knows Oliver Lutkins very well. So the lawyer serves summons on Lutkins. So again, there is a kind of second visit made by this particular lawyer with one of his friend. Now the lawyer and his companion went to the village next day again. They found the hack driver at the stations laughing and joking with Lutkins' mother. He pointed out the driver to his companion and explained how the driver helped him in trying to find Lutkins. Surprisingly, so here you need to remember, surprisingly, his companion told the lawyer that the driver was Lutkin himself. So the hack driver was only the man whose name is Oliver Lutkins, to whom this lawyer was searching of. Now the lawyer served summons on Lutkins, who made fun of him. So here we reach to the end of this particular story. So in this story, you came to know about that how this particular or cunning, dishonest man, hack driver, whose actual name was Oliver Lutkins, and he has changed his name into Bill Manguson. So how he fooled the lawyer who actually came to a village known as New Million to search for this particular man. Why? Because this particular man was a kind of a summon and he who has to appear before a court, and how this hack driver, by changing his name, fooled the lawyer to find the real man Oliver Lutkins, which he was himself. Thank you.